Your journey as a content creator starts with defining your style, selecting the right gear, and developing a strategy. Today, we'll help you set the foundation for a successful content creator journey. Every creator's brand identity is unique and involves style elements that make your content your own. Begin with defining your visual style and creative voice. Ask yourself what you want your content to say and how you want it to look, whether bright, colorful visuals or a more minimalistic approach. Your brand should resonate with your audience and reflect your creative values. Pick colors, styles, and topics that get you excited. When you're just starting out as a content creator, focus on the essentials, gear that supports both photo and video work. A versatile lens like the RF 15-35mm f2.8L ISUSM ensures you capture both stills and video with high quality. A content creator kit complete with tripod and microphone helps you get started with minimal setup. You can always upgrade as your skills and audience grow. The key to success as a creator is consistency. Develop a content strategy, a structured approach to planning, creating, and managing your content over time. Use a calendar to stay organized and set realistic goals for your content release schedule. Consistency helps build trust with your audience and ensures you're always putting out fresh, engaging content. Start slow and add more posts and styles as you get more comfortable. Let's recap. Develop your brand identity, get the essential hybrid gear for photo and video, and build a solid content strategy. Now, it's time to start creating. Thanks for watching.